Hello, my name is Glennceria and welcome to Glenceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Well, happy Vlogmas Day 17. It is rolling and fast, isn't it? But before we get started with our video, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glenceria Loving Hands. We appreciate you as well. Come on, let's get into this video. Hi everyone. Okay, let's get with the featured soap of today. The featured soap of today is Pretty in Pink. Pretty in Pink. And Pretty in Pink is made with pink grapefruit essential oil with rose keratin clay. Okay? Honey and oats soap embeds. So there's embeds in here made from honey and oats. Okay? Rose keratin clay and pink grapefruit essential oil. Pretty in Pink. And the ingredients is organic coconut oil, avocado oil, organic coconut milk, castor oil, organic shea butter, sunflower oil, argan oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, rose keratin clay, pink grapefruit essential oil, glycerin, and vitamin E oil. We are going to wrap and seal our Mother Earth bath truffles, okay? Our Mother Earth bath truffles, we have them here, okay? We have our squares or rectangles, something to put them on. We also have our shrink bags that we use. We have our scissor. And before we begin, I want to let you know that if you are a loyal subscriber, a subscriber to Glenceria Loving Hands, please put your name down below and say, I am a loyal subscriber to Glenceria Loving Hands on any December's video so I can enter you in a drawing, okay? I'm doing a raffle for Christmas giveaway, a free giveaway. But I need you to let me know who's subscribing to me, okay? All right? So let's begin. Easy to pop out. And remember, we only use Epsom salt at the bottom. We didn't put any micas or anything on it. It smells like eucalyptus and rosemary. This is Mother Earth. Okay, so you take your square, whichever way you want it. Take your square, you place it. You can cut it down if it's too big. So we cut it down. All right. Take your bag. Remember, we're cutting them into thirds. So I have a piece here. Let's finish this piece off here. Cut it down again. Great. We are going to place our bath truffle inside. Do anybody remember the ingredients? Let's go over the ingredients of our bath truffle. Baking soda, citric acid, your essential oil, which we use eucalyptus, and we also use rosemary. Place it in the corner as so. I have my heat gun, my sealer here. I'm pressing it into my sealer. So it's sealed on one end, and then I'll take it and seal it on the other end. And voila, we're done. See that? Okay. What else? Ingredients? Mango butter. Mango butter is in here. Look how beautiful that is. Mango butter, cocoa butter, and shea butter. I have 3 butters in here. Place it into the bag. Are you finished with your holiday shopping? Are we still doing holiday shopping? I know I am. There you go. Tell me, is it cold where you live? Is it cold where you live? Just lift it up. Look how pretty. That's like a rose. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely beautiful. Make sure you place it on your square. Put your square in your shrink wrap bag. There you go. In a corner or wherever you can place it. Okay. I'm placing it in my sealer. Sealing one side of the bag. If it doesn't come off, I just cut it off. Going to the other end that's open and sealing that in. All right. We'll do one more. Well, I know this one will be too big. All right. There we go. Look how beautiful. They came out so nice. And remember that we talked about they make excellent pedicures. You take them to the salon with you or when you're doing your own pedicure. I have done that many a times, used them when I do my pedicures. And there you go. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so we'll take our bag and we're going to cut it in thirds. So that's one right there. It's another half right here. All right. You take your half of your little square, rectangle, it doesn't matter. Stars getting away. Look at that star. You place it onto your square. Cut your square if you have to, just like that. Take your bag, place it in a corner or wherever you can get it. Just place it. Hold on to it like so. I'm placing it into my sealer. See, that end is sealed. Now I'm coming over to the other side to seal the other side. That end is sealed. Very simple, right? Very simple. We're almost done with this series. We have to do sunny days and we will be done, okay? We might come back and do paradise. I'll see. Tomorrow, these will be listed in my Etsy shop. I will have these up and running to go. Look how beautiful. Absolutely. But let me get my finger out the way. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. All right. There you go. Cut some of that bag off. We're going to place it in our bag. And these weigh between these are definitely 2 ounces. 2 ounce bath truffles. Luxurious moisturizing bath truffles. And this one is Mother Earth. And there you go. Absolutely beautiful. All right. Today, the quote of today is be still. Be still. Look how nice that one is. Be still. That's the quote of today. Sometimes you don't have to say anything. Sometimes you don't even have to move. You don't have to let people what you're doing. Just be still. Just be still for a minute. Now this might be tight, so we'll see. I might have to get a bigger bag for this one. This one's really thick. Oh, we're fine. There you go, see? We're fine. Okay, so we back. We have them all strength sealed. And now the next thing we're going to do is shrink them. So we have our heat gun. Might be a little noisy. I turn mine over to the back side. Let's move some of them out the way. Turn them over. Okay. And just stay your distance away and let it seal. And then I just turn it to the front. And there we go. See that? Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. We'll do that again. You don't have to be so close on it. Just let it draw it up. Nice. Turn it over. And there you go. Beautiful. Okay, we do a few more. There you go. Just tapping it lightly. That's all we're doing. See that? And it's sealing them closed. Do a few more. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And they smell so good. You can't smell them now because they shrink wrap. But they smell really good. If you're into eucalyptus and rosemary, absolutely wonderful. One of my favorite scents. One of my favorite scents. Okay. All right, I won't bore you with all of them. I'll bring you right back, okay? Let me do this last one. Let's do one more together. Okay, take this one. See how we have to shrink wrap it, right? Place it down on the back side. Keep your distance and just hit it. Going across just for a few seconds. And it's done. See that? Shrink wrap. I'll bring you back when I'm done. All right, so we're done. They sealed. We have them wrapped. And the next step will be labeling them. Packaging and labeling tomorrow, okay? Thank you again for joining me for Vlogmas Day 17. The quote of today is be still. The quote of today is be still. Okay? Our featured soap of today, Pretty in Pink. Pretty in Pink with pink grapefruit essential oil, rose keratin clay, and there's also embeds. It's a soap embed that is made with honey and ground oats. Love you guys. Mwah. Have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video, all right? Love you. Bye for now.